If you're looking to restore the sound quality in your GM vehicle, ACDelco GM original equipment car speakers offer a reliable and effective solution. These speakers are recommended by GM as direct replacements for your vehicle's original factory components, ensuring a perfect fit and consistent performance. What makes these speakers stand out is their adherence to GM's original equipment specifications. That means you get the same quality, durability, and sound performance you expect from your vehicle's factory-installed parts. No guesswork, no compromises, just a seamless upgrade. The science behind the sound is straightforward but impressive. These speakers convert electrical signals into mechanical motion using a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. When your radio or amplifier sends current to the speaker's voice coil, it creates magnetic poles that move the speaker cone back and forth, producing clear and dynamic sound. Unlike generic replacements, ACDelco speakers use higher quality materials. For example, they feature black rubber surrounds instead of the fragile paper-like material found in older factory speakers. This upgrade not only improves durability but also deepens the bass, giving your music more richness and depth. Many users have noted the difference. Customers replacing blown factory speakers report better sound clarity and stronger bass response with ACDelco. Plus, these speakers come at a price that's often lower than dealership options, making them a smart choice for both quality and value. If you want your music to sound its best without hassle, these GM recommended speakers are worth a look. They're engineered to fit your vehicle perfectly, so installation is straightforward and the results speak for themselves. Ready to upgrade your car's audio system? Choosing ACDelco GM original equipment speakers means you get the trusted quality and durability that match your vehicle's standards. Try them when you're ready and experience sound that truly restores your driving soundtrack.